It's unfortunately part of the NFL this year that quarterbacks can't stay healthy. Now Trevor Lawrence is going down. We're kind of holding our breath here.
Yeah, it's going to be a challenge. That's the drive leg for many quarterbacks, the one that you plant on to push the ball downfield.
This is the injury Mahomes suffered in those playoffs against the Jags, actually.
Trevor Lawrence is built different. I was at that game and saw him slam his helmet, slam his hand. Everybody on the sidelines, the Jaguars coaches were just hoping it's not season ending. And now we're talking about, can he play this week? The reality is Trevor's toughness is what makes this decision a little bit tougher.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is. Good go? Yeah.
So the Browns take over after the interception at their own 25-yard line. The ball's on the right hash. They're going to go left to right, leading 14-0. It's been all Browns, and Joe Flacco, the veteran's been very good. 8 out of 13 for 132 yards and 2 touchdowns so far. Dropping is Flacco, looking, fires left side, ball picked off. Darius Williams picks it off. Oh, nice work by Darius Williams. Oh, you needed that. You needed a takeaway.
Let's go! Let's go! Talk about baby. It's so bad. That a boy.
That's exactly what this team needed. Darius Williams gets his 4th interception on the year, and a poor decision by Flacco, but a little bit of help with a collision that happened in front.
So they go heavy here to the Browns. Under center is Flacco from the 5-yard line. Jags have a 5-man front. Play fake, Flacco drops, throws a little slant, and that ball's caught by Amari Cooper, broke a tackle. Now the ball comes out. The ball comes out, and the Jags pick it up. That's Devin Lloyd running it back to the 15, to the 10-yard line. Another takeaway for the Jaguars defense, and that's a big one inside the red zone.
Yeah, do it! Yeah! 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 Yes, go! Spark, we need this momentum. Come on! We gotta ride this momentum. Go.
You know, the Cleveland Browns went big personnel they had outside. Cooper one-on-one against Monteric Brown, who's giving a huge cushion. Give Dewey a ton of credit for hustling on the play, knocking it out. And then Devin Lloyd is sitting right there, picks it up untouched. And now this is where, as an offense, you got to pay it off, not with 3, but you need to get 7 right here.
Guys, the one thing we knew coming in that Jim Schwartz was going to play a lot of man-to-man. But what he's doing, he's beginning to play tricks with Trevor Lawrence. He has to settle down and just take what the defense is giving him. But the complexity of Schwartz defense is certainly messing with number 16.
2nd down and 8. Shotgun for Trevor. Dropping the throw is Trevor looking. Fires back corner of the end zone. Almost caught for the touchdown. Evan Ingram in the right corner. And Jacksonville is in the end zone. A 10-yard touchdown pass.
You want to talk about a great throw? That was a great throw to Evan Ingram as he's coming out of his break. Trevor puts it on the money in a tight window. The outstretched arms of Grant Delpit can't get the ball. Look, they get the ball coming out second half, and an opportunity to tie this ball game up. And in second half, you do your thing, you're going to get right back in.
Guys, Doug Peterson was very calm. He's trying to calm the team down. He wanted the team to understand, like, hey, you guys don't need to act out of the character. Just simplify the game. Keep it simple. Make the plays that are there to be made, but you don't have to be superheroes.
Yeah, mix-ups on offense, mix-ups on defense, definitely kind of out of sorts. And they had 10 possessions in that first half, 20 possessions total, 10 for each team. and the Jaguars offense not able to get a lot done with only 129 yards on those 10 possessions.
Yeah. We're straight. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Good. Love you, bro. We're good.
3rd down and 21 is the result. Back to the 14-yard line. 4-man front. 3rd and a country mile. Trevor dropped. Caught in the middle of the field by Parker Washington. And the ball came out. Parker fumbled the ball just past the 20-yard line. The rookie made the catch. He fumbled it away, and the Browns have it. My goodness. The Browns have it near the 20-yard line of Jacksonville. It's a direct snap. It's a wildcat snap. They're going to snap it to Kareem Hunt. He takes it, runs to the left, bowls his way toward the goal line. No signal yet. Now he's into the end zone for the touchdown. The Browns have taken a 21-7 lead. They took advantage of a Parker Washington fumble. They ran it into the end zone with Kareem Hunt, and that made this a 21-7 game. The Jags, as you know, have been very good on the road now, 5-0 in true road games this year, 6-0 in games played away from the stadium, but they're playing as a very injured football team now, and that's beginning to rear its head. Jags are showing blitz. They send 6. Flacco gets hit. The ball comes out. The ball comes out. The Jags are trying to get on top of it. The ball comes out, and I think Jacksonville has it. Antonio Johnson made the hit. The rookie safety drilled him, and the Jags take over. Jeremiah Ledbetter, I think, fell on top of it. Jacksonville football at the 25 of Cleveland.
Antonio Johnson playing the nickel, rotating with Greg Jr. in this ball game, and Joe Flacco never saw him coming. And Johnson makes contact. That ball's on the ground immediately. Great job by Mike Caldwell. Excellent call, having an unblocked defender on the blitz.
The Jags make it hurt now. First down from the 25 of Cleveland, trailing 21-7. 7:26 left in the 3rd. Wildcat formation. Both running backs in there together. They snap it to Etienne. He keeps it. Travis Etienne spins toward the goal line. He is going to get tackled at about the 1-inch line.
Oh, that's a touchdown.
He took it on a direct snap. He spun his way to about the 1-inch line, maybe. The ball's almost touching the goal line. It's almost touching the goal line. Doug is talking to one of the officials. He has not thrown the red flag yet, I don't believe.
That's a touchdown. 3 seconds on the play clock.
And Doug has thrown the red flag. Doug has thrown the red flag, the challenge to play.
After further review, the ball broke the plane of the goal line before the runner was down by contact. It goes to a touchdown.
Great block, man. You see what happens when we make a play? That's us. That's all of us. Huge drive. Great job by the offense getting the turnover. The defense set them up, and they took advantage of it. They didn't settle for 3. Big throw on that 3rd down to Calvin Ridley from Trevor hanging in there. And then the Wildcat gets him across the goal line. You got a 1-possession game.
Cold weather game on the road.
Yep.
Down by 8 right now. This extra point is critical.
Newsome picks it off at the 48 of the Jaguars. So now the Browns have a 7-point lead and the ball in plus territory. They lift the offense on the field, 4th and 3. Joe Flacco, the quarterback. He's at a hard count. Will they snap it? They do snap it. He drops an all-out blitz. He fires. That ball's caught. 30, 20, 10, 5, touchdown. They beat the blitz. They threw it in the middle of the field. David Bell had the catch. Nobody covered him. They read the blitz, and it is a touchdown and a 2-touchdown lead, a 41-yarder for the Cleveland Browns.
Well, now we got to do something we have not done the whole game, and that's put together a long drive.
Let's go. We're still in it. Let's go. Easy.
Play fake. Trevor fires. Middle of the field. Caught by Calvin Ridley. That ball's behind him a little bit on a little slant. Calvin did a good job to bring it in. He beat Greg Newsome. That'll be a first down to the 23 on a 12-yard gain. They snap it. Dropping. Looking. Fires to the left side of the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. Parker Washington, the rookie, in the left corner of the end zone.
Let me make a play, bro. All right, I'll make play for you. Great catch, man.
Great catch by Parker, man.
What a throw.
What a great job, and there was all kinds of confusion, and I don't know how the Browns did not get a penalty for Zadarius Smith being offsides. Doug's talking to the line judge as the play's going on, but to the play, protection's there, and you got Parker Washington run a corner route, and Trevor puts the ball in the numbers, and he goes up high to get it.
This is a 55-yarder. His long is a 58-yarder. 7 of 7 from north of 50. The hold is down. Hopkins' kick is up, and the 55-yard field goal is good.
Let's go.
Shotgun formation. Trevor dropping. 4-man rush. Looking. Fires toward the end zone, and that ball is incomplete. A flag comes down in the end zone.
Yeah, that's PI. I mean, Parker Washington's getting mugged as he's trying to work to the middle of the field.
3rd down and goal from the 2. You wonder if number 17 rears his head here. Is Evan Ingram the money guy here? Dropping to throw is Trevor. Looking. Fires back of the end zone. That's Evan Ingram. That's the touchdown. That's the money guy. Touchdown, Evan Ingram. A 2-yard touchdown pass from Trevor Lawrence. The Jags now will go for 2. So they're going to try and win the game ultimately with a field goal instead of tying. Dropping is Trevor. Looking. Still looking. Gets hit. Going to get sacked. The 2-point conversion will be no good. Myles Garrett got him. Finally got through. So it remains 31-27 with 1:33 to play in the game. And the Jaguars' onside kick attempt coming. Here we go, the onside kick. It's bounced to the left side and covered immediately by the Browns.
No, and look, defense has got to be better. This defense has got to get back to playing better football. And always it starts with protecting the ball and taking the ball away. And you took the ball away as a defense today, but offensively you turned the ball over. And it's hard to win football games when you do that, especially when you're playing the number 1 defense in the National Football League and also at their place.